Yeah, my name is Jeff Wheeler. I'm the extension specialist for Enology in the state. My role at the university is research, extension, and teaching. So we've talked about students, but the extension component is working with the 70+ wineries that we have in the state and trying to get them to have their business or have their operation be as efficient and effective as possible. Essentially, we're trying to make wines that express what the fruit is giving us. So we're trying to figure out what grows best here, and then after that, we figure out what's the best wine to make from that fruit. Wine specifically, out of all agricultural products, is a really good way to express a place, a sense of place. So the wines that we grow in Kentucky can only be grown in Kentucky, and it will only taste like this in Kentucky. And we're trying to select grapevines that are native to this area, that grow really well and produce wines that are really high quality but unique to this area. So I think that advantage of wine and growing it in Kentucky is that you can make something that no one else can. In the fall, we do the wine production course because that's when fruit is available. We can process fruit. Students are really into the process of harvest and how you turn that harvest into marketable wine. So the fall semester is that. In the spring, it's grape production. So we do kind of everything from starting at planting all the way through pruning and essentially getting us close to harvest. So students in general come away from the class with a basic understanding or appreciation of how hard it is to farm, but specifically to farm grapevines in a challenging climate. But if you do everything right and find ways to overcome adversity that you would have with other growing methods or varieties, they're surprised at the quality of stuff that we can make and that they get a part in that. It's much easier to learn about grape production if you have your hands on the vines.